Hello everyone, Heath with 1x5 Games. We are in the 1x5 Games studio. It's nice and bright today. A little windy. You might hear some knocking around. I apologize ahead of time for that. Today, we're going to open up a whole booster box of Dragon Ball Super Card Game World Martial Arts Tournament. Alright, we got 12 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. Includes link cards. Actually picked this up a relatively decent price on Cool Stuff Inc. We have commons, uncommons, rares, super rares, special rares, and one secret rare. Well, okay, that's enough rares, maybe. Let's see. Get this opened up. And what we're looking for here is a secret rare. Hopefully Sun Goku and Oob, Seeds of the Future. And Supreme Showdown, Sun Goku. That's a special rare. Let's see if I can get these packs out without dropping them everywhere. They're tightly packed in there. Just going to move these off to the side here. And here we go. Of course, I can't seem to... These open really weird. Kyrie and I and Kaylin, Doge Cat Master, we opened a whole booster box this weekend. We noticed that the foil is a little difficult to get off. Let's see here. Stopping Power Sun Goku, uncommon. Announcer Referee Veteran, another uncommon. Mercenary Teo, trading moves. He also is an uncommon. The way that you can tell, here, let me zoom in there. You could see the UC at the end of the card number. That means it's uncommon. And then we have our commons. Tainted Power. I'll go over these for a couple packs and then I'll start just kind of tearing into them. Oh, and then we have a foil rare. Let's see. Very nice rare. Not nearly as fun, in my opinion, as the magic rares. I think the magic ones look much nicer. You know, you don't have to foil the whole damn card to get the effect that you're after. I think magic just does a great job of highlighting the high points. Okay. Uncommon. Let's see, we have 2 uncommons. Ooh, maybe we'll have a nice rare in here. Another common. So it looks like 7 or 8 of them are commons. Oh, there's another foil. And I need to move these off a little bit. Camera's trying to focus on too many things at once. Uncommon foil, and then a rare foil. That's nice. God, it's going to take me all day if I keep having to open the wrappers like that. Okay. Uncommon. Bundle of Confidence Hercules. And then, oh. We have our commons. Looks like we only had 2 uncommons, so we should get 2 rares. Or a foil common. and a foil rare. Yeah, there we go. Just gonna move these piles all the way. Again, my camera's doing a much better job. My phone camera is, but I still try to focus on too many things at once. Try to burn through these here. Uncommon, uncommon. 3 uncommons. And then we have a foil rare. Test of Strength Son Goku. Oh man. I did not want anyone tampering with these, I'll tell you that. Uncommon, uncommon. 3 uncommons. Ooh, and a special rare. Actually, it could be special rare or super rare. I can't remember. SR. I'll have to look that up later. I think it's just a super rare. So I would show you guys around the studio, which is really my office / guest room / game development studio. Tiny Rival Son Goten. Another referee. And there's another special rare. Supreme Showdown Son Goku. Which is not the one that we were looking for, unfortunately. These were on sale for 20 bucks. CoolStuffInc.com. Probably because no one could get into the damn packs. Begrudging Respect Piccola. Tiny Rivals Trunks. Ooh. And then we have our comments, which means we should have at least another foil. Okay, there's an uncommon foil. Announcer Play-by-Play Pro and a rare. Secret Treaty Android 18. It's kind of cool. Get these piles set up. Mercenary Teo, trading moves for an uncommon. Master Roshi, Martial Meister. And Jackie Chun, the Mysterious Fighter. For our uncommons. I'm getting a lot of the same commons here. And I got a rare World Tournament Arena foil. Once I do get the office cleaned up, I'll take everyone on tour. It's not horrible right now. It's just my wife would kill me if I showed it to you guys without cleaning it up a little bit better. Tiny Rivals Trunks, Master Shen. Master Shane. Alright, 2 uncommons. uncommon, the unknowing power foil. And a rare unending moves Tien Shinhan. I bought this with the intention of playing it with Kyrie because she insisted that she would play. Lo and behold, Tiny Rival Sun Guten, Jackie Chan, Tiny Rivals Trunks, a lot of the same uncommons, a lot of the same commons. Lo and behold, as soon as I got them, I bought 2 booster boxes and Kyrie didn't want anything to do with them. There's the Hercules Proudest Grandpa, special rare. So that kind of backfired in my face. The kids haven't been very open to playing games with me lately, other than the development. Bundle of Confidence, Hidden Power, East Supreme Kai, Unknowing Power for our uncommons. And then we have Fateful Reunion Sun Gugu. It's a rare. So we all got to open up 8 packs in the box, and Kyrie found the secret rare and then proceeded to rip me off for a Goku card. Goku. Referee, Honed Moves Yamcha. Those are uncommons, which means we should have 2 foils. We have here Scuffle Time Mr. Boo common. And Unending Moves Yamcha rare. So her favorite thing is to talk about how she did a bad trade with me. Good trade for her, bad trade for me. I accepted a 20-cent card in exchange for a $7 card. Alright, announcer, play-by-play, Stenchful Bacteria. Those were uncommons. Vegeta, Power Misused for common foil rare. And Awakening Talent Pan for our rare. In the end, the bad trade doesn't hurt me. It just gives us a funny story. Kyrie loves to bring it up about how she got the better card. Unknowing Power. Mercenary Teo. Shocking Latent Ability. 3 uncommons. Should get some good here. Special Rare. Pan, Proudest Daughter. So every once in a while she likes to bring up the card. Literally, it's in a sleeve. She likes to bring it from her bedroom and just rub it in my face. Good memories. Good times. Master Roshi. Begrudging Respect. Master Shin. That's alright though. I gave her a bill. Look at that. Double Impact Krillin. Rare. Foil. That's right. I gave her a bill. I estimated $15,000 a year to raise them. So, yeah. We'll see if she ever pays up. Begrudging Respect. Stenchful Bacterian. Should get 2 foils. And we do. We get Fateful Reunion Chi-Chi and Destined Conclusion Hero. That's a special rare. I got that one over the weekend as well. Makes me wonder if these boxes are mostly the same. There's not a lot of value in this particular set, which is probably why it was on sale. But, you know, we just like to crack packs anyway. Let's see, uncommon, Stop Your Power, Son Goku, Tien Shin Hen. I should actually watch the damn show a little bit more. Announcer. Okay, 3 uncommons. I'm sure I'm driving everyone crazy mispronouncing all the names. Destined Conclusion. Foil, special rare. But, you know, by the time the cartoon came out, I was already out of the house. My brothers got into it, my sisters a little bit. And then my kids, I don't know if it's because Cartoon Network played the shit out of it, but my kids are they're totally into retro stuff. Like, that is the thing right now. Sonic, Sega, old Nintendo games, even Atari. I don't know why. Master Shin, Bundle of Confidence. I'm a forward looker. Special rare, Supreme Showdown Vegeta. The graphics of today's games blow everything away. Like, every time they come out with a new generation of console, it's hard for me to look back and play any of the older games from the older generations. I'm just not into the nostalgia. Master Roshi, Jackie Chun, Honed Moves Yamcha. And I like my game. I like my technology. I like the new, cleaner games. Double Chop Nom. That's just all there is to it. I'm an idiot. This whole time I've been doing it, and I just realized there's a pull tab there. Damn it. There's a pull notch. Alright, well, there you go, folks. I'm a frickin' moron. You caught me. Jackie Chun. Hidden Power E Supreme Kai. Oh. Well, you know. Can't be perfect all the time, right? I'm just kidding. I'm hardly perfect ever. Fateful Reunion. Son Goku Rare. And, oh. I don't think that's the... What is that? That's a special rare. Proudest Grandpa. Oh, that's the second one I got, isn't it? I will say it's a little nerve-wracking doing the YouTube stuff. I don't know. I've always been a little bit camera shy. Tiny Rivals Trunks. Water Master Shin. Always been camera shy. This kind of gives me an opportunity to break that a little bit. Oh man, we only got 2 uncommons. Oh, okay, I see. That's a foil. Trusting relationship Popo. And Awakening Talent Pan for a rare. But I have to get over that. I have to get over that fear, the nervousness. This will help out a little bit. Begrudging Respect Piccolo. Oob Unknown Power. And Tiny Rival Son Guten. The reality is I need to get my speaking skills up, and I need to not be so nervous because I have to pitch my games. I have to be able to sell it to the audiences who I'm addressing, which, you know, the age range varies, the topics vary, etc., etc. Rare Double Impact Karen. Oh, sorry about that. 2 packs left. I'm so glad I figured out the pull notch there. Right towards the end. Stenchful Bacterian, Tien Shinhan Trading Moves. 2 uncommons. Are we going to get a secret rare? I hope so. That's what I was hoping for. That's really the only way I'm going to get any money off this. Hidden Power E Supreme. And Test of Strength Son Goku. Alright, last pack. Perhaps we will get the secret rare in this one. I really appreciate your time. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Begrudging respect, Vegeta. Announcer play-by-play. Shocking latent ability. And spread the word. We're going to keep doing this. Try to do one weekly. Unyielding Victory, Jackie Chun. Special rare. Super rare. Sorry about that. And, yep, that's about it for now. Next week, we'll be opening probably a fat pack and maybe a booster of magic. Thank you very much. Have a great day.